the back to school rush is on to beat the traffic and get the kids to devotion in time, and here to help you start the morning on the right note. Me and Delia. And we just cook up some food and show you what to do. But because I don't trust her, I invited Amita.
You don't trust me if you tell them say you can't cook?
Well, I don't trust you. Is you supposed to be cooking, so see the experts right here. Morning.
Morning.
Avani, good morning.
Hi.
How are you? Okay,
We're awesome.
Yeah, she's a little shy. Amita, what are we talking about? Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thanks for having us. Breakfast items for back to school. For those of us who are really busy, sometimes it's hard when you have your toddlers to get them to eat so early in the morning. So we're going to make some banana fritters.
Who's going to make some banana fritters?
We are. We. See, that's a group.
So when you say we, your hand reach over
Me
here?
no know, but I mean to draw me in a the
All right, so Neville can assist.
I shall.
I think so.
Yeah, man.
All
We
right.
don't need to turn on nothing here. Or we turn on already.
Well,
I'm
yeah.
feeling some heat. No, wait, not turn on. Turn on now.
All right,
This
so we're
side.
starting
This is a good
the
thing I
pot.
am here.
See, exactly.
All
We're going to
right.
put a little bit of oil.
Okay.
Well, not that little bit, but still. All right. So what we're going to start with, we have some mashed banana here. The overripe ones. Some of us don't like to eat the really ripe ones, so you can put them in your fritters. We're going to start with some sugar. Baba, can I have you put the sugar in, please? Don't put all of it. A little bit. Yeah. A little bit. All right.
Amita having fun already. What else we doing here?
So we're going to start with the salt, a little bit of salt, Vanny. Just a little bit, right? And then some cinnamon. Thank you.
Nice.
All right.
Amita is
Put some vanilla.
As a big cook.
Wait, Vance, I see something in here. So. All right. Then we're going to add our flour. So what is this? Vanilla, right? No, banana fritters you can make ahead of time. You can put in the fridge. We're going to stir that up.
Where's the cap?
Here, what we're going to do.
Ew, disgusting.
Yeah.
Put it.
Flour. All right, mix. We're going to add a little bit more.
How do you like that?
So there's a recipe on the screen. 3 bananas, 2 tablespoons of sugar,
And some water.
baking powder,
Buffalo.
milk, flour, nutmeg.
That's it.
That's it? All right. So we've mixed it up. Is that good?
It smells like potato.
It does?
Yeah.
It smell like
Sure,
what?
like potato.
Okay.
All right, so we heat
Probably
this
sweet
up.
potato.
And it smells like porridge.
Yeah. So we can talk about some other options. You could try porridge for breakfast. Some kids want the cereal. You can try some instant like chocolate mix. You mix it with milk. It's pretty good because
Well,
it
it's chocolate
has a lot
tea.
of
I like
vitamins.
chocolate tea.
Yes, chocolate tea. All right, so we're gonna start on the fritters.
So
we're gonna have you-
Avanya, the boss in the kitchen.
All right, hold the bowl.
I
Hold
think
it.
halfway through this fritters, Avanya gonna say I want some fruit.
So we're gonna have you scoop a little bit into the pot. Take your time. Take your time. A little bit more. Little bit more.
Avani, you kind of sound a little like Lauren.
I don't burn myself.
No, you didn't burn yourself. It's not splashing. Good? All right, Vanny, what's next? What do we
Yes,
do
it
next?
is splashing.
Just a little bit.
So how long would this take now?
About 2 minutes. They're really
2
small.
minutes and they're ready?
2 minutes on each side.
Oh.
But they're small.
So you need
So,
that? Yeah.
right. You want to flip it?
No,
You sure?
Lauren,
you're doing the pop.
I'm doing the pot.
Yeah.
Why should I do the pot?
Because you're the only.
She's the adult.
Right.
Smart girl, don't go near the flame.
Lauren never realized she have a cousin.
So,
2 minutes.
can
and
give
all
this I can give that 2 more seconds. For those of you who might not want to cook with your kids at breakfast time, you can try dinner. It's nice to get them involved in the process. They can't do everything, but you can, teach them how to cut the vegetables. We could talk about food and why the different food groups are important.
How old is her?
You can. She's 4.
Okay.
Yeah. You could talk about family recipes. Food is a good way of passing on, you know, family culture. And that's a big thing. Sometimes as parents, you know, you get so involved in trying to provide that we forget that, you know, we still need to bond with our kids, and we don't need the fancy, you know, excursions, or you need to spend a lot of money. So some simple things like cooking can you know, break that. You get them in from early. Some future conversations can be a lot more easier, you know, when they become teenagers and such.
So you get them ready early and meet up for school, so you have a little time with them in the kitchen. And so getting ready for school is not just rushing and packing the bag and yeah, it's a nice experience for them getting their breakfast done and things like that. Nice. Nice.
It looks like it's almost ready already.
Yeah, and it burns really easy because of the high sugar. So yes, it's splashing just a little bit. Yeah?
It almost splashed me.
Yeah. You want to taste it?
No. It's hot.
Yes, a little bit hot. All right,
Nice.
Avani, are you going to make any more? Are you going to make any more? Okay.
And the banana is good for them, eh?
Really good.
Yeah, banana is good.
And it's a good use of those overripe bananas that you have, whether smoothies or the fritters or banana bread. All right. All right, Neville, can I have that plate, please? Don't want this to burn.
We're ready to go.
Yeah. All right, Vance. Over yonder.
Ooh, ooh,
So we have our fritters here. Now, lunchtime. Breakfast is finished. We need to pack a lunch. Lunchtime can be a little bit hectic for us, especially if they don't want to eat a lot at breakfast. So for Avani's lunch kit, all right, so let's get your lunch kit. All right, so we have here fruits.
Yeah.
Come on,
Fruits can be a little bit expensive. If you get the things that are in season, it cuts the price by a whole heap. Instant pudding, Avani likes that, right? You can make this and put it in a lunch kit and it stays pretty well. We have juice packs. When you're picking your juices, bear in mind there are a lot of colorings and additives. Check your packaging. It might be cheaper, but it might not be better. Snacks. Some people might not like the idea of giving their kids snacks, but it's a little bit easier.
Moderation is good, yeah.
There you go. And maybe a cooked lunch.
Okay.
Some of us, it allows you to control what's in the food. So you may order at school, but if you cook it yourself, then I know what's in it.
Put it in here.
Right, we're gonna put it in here.
That's what I was going to
No,
ask you,
you put it
Amita.
in
How
the
about
bottom.
storing
You put it in the
it?
bottom
Because
of the
it's so
pot.
hot and
No,
these
you put it
classrooms
in the
are so
bottom
hot.
of the
Right.
pot.
So when you make the
You put it in
food,
the bottom.
We'll do.
so do you know, what do you prepare so that when they go to school, it's still safe for them to eat it?
Well, sandwiches, I mean, there are some ingredients you probably should stay away from, like mayonnaise, anything with the milk, any kind of ingredients that may have that dairy base would be a good idea. But remember, a lot of the lunch kits come with the ice pack. And a lot of them are made, but a little bit different than this. So it can provide some additional cooling. And that's about it. Danny, you want to help me pack the lunch kit?
Bonnie, gone back to our fritters.
You want to taste them? All right.
Hot.
It's hot, Mama.
Hot, Bonnie, hot.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's hot.
So the chips provide something that they like. So it's nice to meet them halfway. Give them something give them the really, really healthy. Let's give them a little bit of a treat.
Right.
That they like.
And treats. You can, you know, the little snackable candies. You can put a little bit of candy in there, you know, and encourage them to, you know, eat what's in the lunch kit.
Nice. I get a nice wholesome
Did you
meal.
taste it? No? Let me
She's
taste
cutting it up for Uncle Neville.
Cut it.
Good.
Cut it up for Uncle Neville, baby.
What the? I got it.
All right. Amita and Avani.
Avani just didn't make them lock up the world.
From their kitchen to small Jamaica. So from the kitchen cupboard to the medicine cabinet, 10 minutes to your health is up next. Thank you, Avani. Uncle Neville's going to have some of that. And thanks, Amita, for coming in.
Thanks for having us.
We'll be right back.
Taste it, no?